basic information for both the sender and the recipient, making sure you're following the conditions set in the package rules. Next, edit the dimensions of your order and select the last two checkboxes as needed. You'll notice two pricing options displayed. One of them shows as 0 because it's using a default package rule already in the system. The other one is the custom rule we just created. Let's go ahead and select that one. If needed, you can customize the order further. Once everything looks good, click on Place Order. After placing the order, let's print an AWB Airway bill to see how it looks.